Welcome to CHENNAI METCO. This is a per-medium manual abrasive cutting machine. Cutting capacity up to 80 mm dia, speed is 2,800 rpm, 5 HP motor, 3-phase, and cut-off wheel dia 10-inch and 12-inch.
This is Fasteners sample. Fastener sample is holded and clamp.
This is X movement as it is useful to fix the sample at desired position. This is Y movement. This is Z movement.
Now the cutting operation is started.
We use cut-off wheels to cut the sample. Now the cutting operation is completed. This is the cutted sample after cutting operation is done. After sectioning, we will see molding the sample. Now we add backlight powder to mold the sample. This is sample after molding. Now we will check microstructure of the sample. Sample is placed under the microscope. Microstructure of the sample is captured. Thank you.